What's up, guys? Today we are building up a Redline MX2 frame and complete parts. This bike is from 1980. If you check the serial number, it says 1980 on it. So we built up a couple Redlines in the past, but never anything so old. So this one's going to be a really fun one. Let's move on to some parts. We have the original Redline forks, super skinny, crazy skinny dropouts. Just very old and classic. These are some Redline V-bars. We got some Redline grips, a Redline forklifter stem, red KMC chain, Diacompe MX1000 brakes, and some Diacompe levers. We got a Tioga headset, some 1/2-inch Redline pedals. We got a steel Redline sprocket, plastic Redline seat from the 90s, Redline seat clamp, and we got a Redline laid-back seat post. We also got some red MCS cables that will match the brakes and the levers. We got some Redline tires. Let's open up the package. So we got some Redline Tioga Comp 3 tires. So these are probably from a couple of years ago. It's going to be a really fun build. Let's get to it. What's up, guys? We finished up this Redline MX2 1980. Came out really good. Lots of cool parts. We're gonna go through everything with you. So let's start at the top where the handlebars are. We have these Redline grips. From there we did the red donuts. We got the Diacompe levers and the MCS cables. Redline V-bars. Redline stem. We got a Tioga headset. Original stickers on the frame. Diacompe MX brakes. We have these Tioga Comp 3 knockoff tires. We have red valve caps. Suzu hubs to Araya rims. Redline half-inch pedals. Just a no-name crank. A Redline sprocket and a red KMC chain. We put on a Redline seat post clamp. Redline laid-back post with a 90s Redline plastic seats. Another Diacompe brake with a MCS red cable. Another Tioga Comp 3 tire. Some old Araya Suzu hubs and a red valve cap. We got a freewheel on the back. So this thing came out really awesome. It's our earliest Redline that we've ever done. We'll make sure to put a bunch more Redlines above, so make sure to check those out as well. We'd love to hear your comments, so please like, share, subscribe, comment, and thanks for watching. We'll see you guys soon. Take it easy.